Hey guys, Dan the Man here. Today I have another video for you guys. We're gonna actually open up this Asus ROG G16, and as you can see, I have already undone the screws with a tough screwdriver. Isn't that fun? A tough screwdriver opening up a ROG. Anyways, so you got these screws in here. There is one, two, three, four, five, six, seven in this area right there. And these are all the long screws. You could actually put them aside. So I'm gonna put them in that corner. All these screws in this area are the long ones. And there is one, two, three, four here. These are the shorter ones. They're all the same size. So you could just put them aside. And if you happen to mix them up, you can just pause the video and go back and see. So as you try to open this thing up, you can use a bank card or something. Try to find your way around here, and you just need to get a grip of it. You could start from the corners here, perhaps. It's a bit hard to do it on the camera. Just one moment. Alright, so the best way to do it, as you can see, one of the screws in this corner doesn't come up because that is attached to the case, and that's the design of it. So this part gets lifted up automatically, and you can use a bank card. Work your way around here and around the edge, going around there and that way, and then slowly this side pops up as you play with it a little bit and being gentle. So that is the back cover, and this year they didn't include basically. And as for this year, they didn't. They have the RGBs in there, so there's no cable around. And even though this thing has a RTX 4050 in there, it has a very nice thermal design. This looks very sophisticated and it looks really nice. Two fans, three fans. There's a third fan in here, just blowing air in there or taking the air out. No, blowing the air in towards this way, probably. And there's another heat pipe in there, and this thing's cooling is just amazing when you look at it this way. So you got your NVMe drive in there, and you can upgrade that by opening this screw right there. You could change the battery by detaching it from there and opening the screws and swap it for another one. And under this little thing there is your Wi-Fi card and a daughter board that can also be swapped out. You could repaste this. This has liquid metal from what I've heard. However, I'm not sure of that, how true that is, but you don't need to replace that. And that's going to be good for a very, very long time. So in terms of upgradability, under this little protector thing, you got two RAMs and you got two 8 GB clocked at 4800 megahertz and DDR5 modules. You could take them out and replace them with two 16s, you know, and or two 32 GB. That's going to be 64 GB of total memory right there. So that's that. That's one NVMe SSD there. And I forgot to mention, over the Wi-Fi card right here, you can add another NVMe SSD in there. So you got one, you can add another one, which goes like a bridge over the Wi-Fi card, and there's already a screw in there for that. So I like the design of this thing. It's got this little cute fan to give it better cooling performance, and I like how they didn't make compromises. I was not expecting to see another little fan in here for the RTX 4050 edition of this laptop, and it's too much in my opinion, but it's great. That's your i7, that's your GPU. You got a lot of heat pipes, one, two, three, four, and then there's like these two that are shared, and then there's another one, five. It's just insane the amount of work they put in it. I believe that is the display port that goes there. So you can upgrade the RAM. You have one SSD, you can have another one, or you could swap this one with another one. You could swap the battery if it's faulty. You got your speakers, which can be changed as it has a cable down there, but in case if you need to, speakers don't go bad on computers anyways. But if you were to do anything else other than changing the SSDs and adding RAM, yeah, you don't really need to remove the battery. But if you want to do other things, repasting this thing or other crazy things, you must remove the battery, press the power button to make sure everything works. So the design is really good. I like it. even though it's a very small laptop. So I believe this can dissipate a lot of heat. And I like what Asus did in here. It's very compact. They use the space very nicely. And compared to another computer, I have their Acer Nitro 5 17-inch. It's a great laptop. It cools very well, but there's a lot of wasted space, let's say, in there. That's pretty much it. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. You can also donate to my channel. Thank you so much, and see you guys later.